to deposit money on your Binance, okay, open up your Binance, okay. If you are in a country where you can buy Bitcoin with your bank card, okay, like US, Europe, South Africa, mentioned in Dubai, okay, what you will do is click on deposit, okay. I click here, click on deposit, okay, click on buy with ZAR. So in your country it will be on buy with your currency name, okay. Put the amount you want to buy, use your bank card, okay, to buy. But in a country whereby you are not in a eligible country where you can buy Bitcoin with your bank card, okay, what you will do is come to trade, okay, come to trade, okay. When you come to trade, come to P2P, okay, click on P2P, okay. Then right now, as you can see, is on USDT. Right, this USDT is a stable coin. It's always the same price with dollar, okay. But what we need is to buy BTC, right? You click on BTC, okay, click on BTC. Now before you buy Bitcoin from any of these people, okay, see what you need to verify, okay. You see on this person, you see it has a blue arrow, right, on the profile. Can you see blue dot? It means that this people, it's online, okay. Make sure that you are buying from a person that is online 15 minutes ago or 30 minutes ago, okay, so that the trade can go fast, okay. Then and the completion must be around 100 or 90 something, okay, here, okay. Make sure is 100, 90 something, 80 something, okay. Then click on that person, click on buy, okay. When you click on buy, it's going to bring you here. Now click, put amount that you want to buy, okay. Let's assume I want to buy with 1,000 naira or 1,000 lands, okay. After putting the price, okay, click on buy with zero fee, okay. It will bring you here, okay. Now we need to get this person's account number to do the payment. To do that, click on make a payment. Now this is this person's account details, okay. Standard Bank, Capitec Bank, anyone that you want to use. If you are in Nigeria, okay, you'll be seeing Nigerian banks, the banks that the person have, okay. Click on any of those banks. This is the person's account information, okay. Here, this is the person's account information here, okay. Name, bank account number. Click copy, okay. You click copy to copy everything and write it out on your phone, okay. Then after doing the payment, use your bank app, okay. Do the payment for this person. After doing it, come back here, okay, and click transfer, notify seller, okay. For Binance to notify the person, okay, to give him a linking tune on his phone that you have paid. Immediately the person have seen that you have paid, the person will release the Bitcoin for you immediately. Binance, they will ask him release they will tell him to release the Bitcoin. He will click on release button. The Bitcoin is going to reflect on your wallet, okay. The Bitcoin is going to reflect on your wallet straight, okay. So this is how to buy Bitcoin on Binance. And when the Bitcoin reflects, you will start seeing the Bitcoin here, okay. You will start seeing it here. This is how to fund your Binance wallet, okay. So if you have already verified your Binance, go and give it a try. You can fund a small money and see how it went through, okay. Then you can deposit any amount that you want to deposit, okay. It's trustworthy. Thank you.